We've made it easier to instruct your attendees how to access Conferences.io by adding a How to Join the Session slide that can be displayed at the start of the session or presentation. You can access the How to Join slide by signing into a session as a moderator and then downloading the live content PowerPoint slides. In this PowerPoint file, you'll now find the How to Join slide, which has written directions for how to access the session, as well as a QR code that can be scanned, and the QR code will bring the attendees directly into the session. All you need to do is drag and drop or copy and paste the How to Join slide into the presentation deck that's going to be used. The How to Join slide is just a static slide, and it does not require our PowerPoint add-in to be installed in order to work. If you want to use other live content slides, such as embedding polling questions into the presentation, then our PowerPoint add-in will need to be installed on the presentation computer, but it is not required if you're just using the new How to Join slide. The next improvement is one of the most anticipated feature requests from our customers that use our CPE attendance tracking functionality. Admins now have the ability to automatically adjust the number of CPE credits each attendee earned based on the number of polls or code words successfully completed. For example, this session had 4 total poll questions that were conducted during the session, but attendees are only required to complete at least 3 polls in order to receive full credit. We can see that Conferences.io has now automatically adjusted credits accordingly, and since Dawn didn't complete enough poll questions, her credit was changed to 0 and her status was updated to not eligible. With our code words functionality, credits can even be adjusted down to the specific field of study or type of credit. In this example, the session was 2 hours long. Hour 1 was for auditing credit, and Hour 2 was for tax credit. Attendees are required to complete at least 3 code words per hour in order to receive full credit. Since John Smith did not complete enough code words in either hour in order to be eligible, his credits were changed to 0, and the status was changed to not eligible. However, since Jane Williams completed 4 code words in Hour 1, but no code words in Hour 2, she's going to receive full auditing credit, but no tax credit. Her status remains eligible though, since she will be receiving the 1 credit. Previously, sessions could have a maximum of 3 different fields of study, or types of credit, assigned to them. But we've now increased that limit to allow for up to 7 different fields of study if needed. You'll only see 3 field of study boxes initially, but additional boxes will continue to open up as you go. Our final update is the addition of a few new fields to our CPE Certificate Builder feature. Admins now have the option to display the presenter or instructor's name right on the certificate if needed. We also added the option to display the number of credits earned for each separate field of study. In this example, our template has pre-designated spaces for each different type of credit. So now we can map those different specific credit amounts to the appropriate places on the certificate. And as long as we make sure to set up the fields of study for the session in the correct order, we can use the same template for every session, and only the applicable type of credit will appear on the certificate. Links with additional information about each of these new improvements can be found below. Thanks for watching.